This short tutorial explores how to use Traffic Buddy to click a button on a website. First, we create a new campaign. Then we head right to the campaign's action flow. For the first action, we want the browser to navigate to the website. Therefore, we use the Visit URL action first. In our example, we entered GSoftwareLab.com as the URL. To click on a button, we use the Click Element action. When we add this action, we will be asked to enter a selector. To obtain the selector, we open our local Chrome browser. We then just right-click the element we want to click on, a button in our example, and select Inspect. The developer console will open, highlighting our element in blue. To get the selector, right-click the highlighted area and click Copy Selector. The selector will now be copied to our clipboard, allowing us to go back to Traffic Buddy, paste it in, and complete the action setup. Finally, we add a delay to prevent Traffic Buddy from instantly closing the site after clicking the button. Instead, it will wait for 30 seconds. For this demonstration, the last setting we will change is inside the browser settings. We will disable the Hide Browser Windows setting so we can actually see the browser automation, and save our new campaign. It will take a few seconds for the campaign to load when we start it. Then, the browser window will open and navigate to the specified URL. The button will scroll into view and be clicked once it is in view. In our example, the browser will then navigate to another website. It will then stay there for the specified amount of time. We hope this brief demonstration helps you better understand the Click Element feature. Please feel free to contact our support team if you need assistance or would like to provide feedback.